Hi, I'm Lexi. Let's learn 10 different ways to look in English. Number 1. Gaze. It means to look steadily and calmly, often with admiration, wonder, or deep thought. Example, she gazed at the sunset in silence. Number 2. Stare. It means to look fixedly for a long time, often because of surprise, curiosity, or rudeness. Example, the man stared at the strange painting. Number 3. Glare. It means to look angrily or fiercely at someone. Example, she glared at him after he interrupted her. Number 4. Glance. It means to look quickly and briefly at something. Example, he glanced at his watch before leaving. Number 5. Ogle. It means to look at someone in a way that shows strong, usually inappropriate interest. Example, he ogled the model in the advertisement. Number 6. Gape. It means to stare with your mouth open, usually in surprise or amazement. Example, the children gaped at the magician's tricks. Number 7. Peer. It means to look carefully or narrowly at something, often because it is hard to see. Example, he peered through the fog to find the road. Number 8. Observe. It means to watch something carefully and notice details. Example, the scientist observed the experiment closely. Number 9. Leer. It means to look at someone in an unpleasant, sneaky, or often sexually suggestive way. Example, he leered at the woman in the hallway. Number 10. Eyeing. It means to look at someone or something with interest, suspicion, or desire. Example, she was eyeing the last slice of cake. Great job, everyone! Now you know 10 different ways to talk about looking in English. Don't forget to practice these words in your own sentences, and tell me in the comments which one was your favorite. See you in the next lesson.